The seedlings for the squash for a second harvest that I started a week ago, I'm now transplanting into the garden. I had pulled the onions, so I thought this might be a good place to put the new seedlings so that maybe I would deter some bugs. I'm trying a red leaf sorrel that I purchased on my last trip to San Diego. We'll see how that goes. I also continue to dig potatoes when they're ready, a little bit here and a little bit there. I bought some Silver Queen corn up the road from the local farmer, and they promised me that they did not spray, and sure enough, I can believe them, they did not spray. As you can see, there is bug damage. That is a really good sign to know for sure that they did not spray. Corn takes up so much space, so I tend to buy it from the local farmer for my canning. So my very last thing for this morning is I have to get the celery cut. It's not holding up in this heat and I need to get it in the freezer. So I'm doing much like I did with the rhubarb before, and in that I am just cutting it low to the ground. But I'm not pulling it because there's a chance I could grow some more stalks. So I'm just cutting off all the mature stalks so I can get those in the freezer today. They'll be really nice for soups come winter. And I could just keep a few out. This is the kind of project that works well in this heat. I'll get this all cut this morning, and then this afternoon when it's too hot to be in the garden, I can just sit somewhere on the porch and cut these all up and then get them rinsed and diced for freezing. Because of the extreme heat today, I thought I would just sit in my office at my desk and have the television on while I cut up the celery. Of course, I always have helpers. I simply get a pan, a pair of scissors, and I just sit and cut the celery up to the size that I like. And then I take it to the sink and I wash it off really well. And then I put it in bags for the freezer and label it. That's it. This will be more than enough celery for me for the entire winter. I can't wait for soup. So meet Ralph. He is La Mancha, and he's big, and he eats a lot, and he has completely destroyed his fence. So soon, I bought the materials, and now I just need the time. But I'm going to feed him some of this celery, and you can see him at work. You like that, Ralph? Is that a nice treat? He's watching the cat.